Good day, everyone. Today we'll be describing the defense mechanism of organisms. So we are Group 3 from Section CAS 301P, and these are our members.
So what is camouflage? Camouflage is often used by prey as a way to disguise themselves for predators. It is a type of coloration or pattern that helps an animal blend in with its surroundings. It is the ability of animals, plants, or objects to blend into their surroundings to avoid being seen. It helps animals protect themselves from predators or hunt their prey without being noticed. Some animals change their colors while others have patterns or textures that make them look like their environment. For example, a chameleon can change its skin color to match leaves or branches, making it harder for predators to spot. Similarly, a tiger's striped fur helped it blend with tall grass, allowing it to sneak up on prey. Next is chemical defense. So what is this? Chemical defense is a life history strategy employed by many organisms to avoid consumption by producing toxic or repellent metabolites. It is when animals, plants, or other organisms produce harmful or irritating substances to protect themselves from predators. These chemicals can cause bad taste, poison, or strong smells that scare away enemies. So, for example, a skunk sprays a foul-smelling liquid to help predators away. Some frogs and snakes release toxins that can be deadly if eaten. Plants like poison ivy produces irritating oils to prevent animals from eating them. So the other defense mechanism is mimicry. It occurs when animals display physical or behavioral traits that copy those of a different species or their surroundings and incur a survival advantage on account of it. It is when an animal or plant look like another species to protect itself from predators or to catch prey. It helps organisms to survive, tricking others in their environment. So, for example, is the harmless king snake has red, black, and yellow bands that make it look like a poisonous coral snake, keeping predators away. Similarly, some butterflies have wing patterns that resemble the eye of a larger animal, scaring off birds. So, there are two types of mimicry. First is the Batesian mimicry. It is the type of mimicry wherein a non-poisonous species mimics the appearance of a poisonous one. It is when a harmless animal copies the appearance of a dangerous or toxic species to avoid predators. This helps the mimic stay safe and because the predators mistake it for the harmful species and leave it alone. So next is the Mullerian mimicry. It is a natural phenomenon in which two or more unprofitable, often distasteful species that may or may not be closely related and share one or more common predators have come to mimic each other honest warning signals to their mutual benefit, since predator can learn to avoid all of them with fewer experiences. It happens when two or more harmful or toxic species look similar to each other. This helps them all because predators quickly learn to avoid anything with that appearance.
Predator-prey interaction. The interactions between predators and prey involves continuous evolutionary change. As predators evolves more efficient ways of capturing prey, the prey evolves ways of avoiding predators. So, the first way to avoid predators is the warning coloration. It's a conspicuous markings of animals that make it easily recognizable and warn would-be predators that are poisonous, foul-tasting, or dangerous species. Bright coloration in insects and other animals such as yellow, orange, or red can act as a signal warning other animals but they are poisonous or distasteful. It is otherwise known as aposematic or bad experience. So, predator-prey interaction are a natural part of evolution, where predators develop better hunting while ang prey evolves strategies to avoid being eaten. So, one way prey animals protect themselves is through warning coloration. So, muna siya kita natawag nga aposematism. So, where bright colors signals to predators that they are toxic or unpleasant to eat. So, mo na po di siya ang mag-help po sa ila sa prey nga makasurvive to predator.
Mimicry and crypticoloration are two ways prey animals avoid predators. When we say mimicry, it refers to one species looking like another to avoid danger. Some animals mimic harmful species to scare predators, while others imitate their surroundings to blend in. This adaptation helps them survive in the wild. Mimicry can be used for protection or hunting. On the other hand, crypticoloration helps animals blend into their environment, making them harder for predators to see. Some animals change color to match their surroundings, while others have patterns that resemble leaves, rocks, or bark. This type of camouflage increases their chances of survival.
Next is the second way, also known as chemical defense. These chemical defenses serves to repel or inhibit potential predators. This is commonly employed by arthropods, amphibians, and snakes. This defense is also used extensively by various types of animals. It is a strategy used by various animals and plants to protect themselves from predators by producing chemicals that are harmful, repellent, or deterrent to potential threats. In animals, many arthropods, amphibians, and reptiles rely on chemical defense mechanisms to protect themselves. Additionally, chemical defenses in plants are quite common and involve the production of toxins or compounds that make the plants unpalatable or harmful to herbivores. Third way, predator satiation. It is a timing reproduction so that an offspring is produced in a short period of time, thus satiating predators and allowing a greater percentage of young to survive. Examples are organisms that use a strategy include wild beasts, cicadas, caribou, and lots of plants. It is a strategy used by many organisms where reproduction is timed in such a way that large numbers of offsprings are produced in a short period. This overwhelming number of offsprings reduces the chance that predators can consume all of them, thus increasing the survival rate of the young.
The hunting ability of predators. Predators are good at hunting. They use their strong senses, sight, hearing, and smell to find food. They are fast and strong with a sharp teeth and claws to catch and kill prey. Some hide and wait, others chase, and some hunt in groups. Hunting helps keep the balance of the nature. This interaction between predators and prey have produced some complex adaptation. For example, number 1, social hunting behaviors of lions and wolves. Lions and wolves hunt together. Lioness work as a team to catch prey. Wolves also work together, taking turns chasing prey until it's tired. Both use teamwork to get food. Number 2, the fangs and some snake. Some snakes have special teeth called fangs to put poisons in their prey. Different snakes have different fangs. Snakes can replace broken fangs. The poison comes from glands behind their eyes. Sometimes, snakes use fangs to defend themselves even without poison. Number 3, spider under waves. Spiders make waves mostly to catch food. There are many kinds of waves. Round one, tube-like ones with a flat entrance. Flat ones where spiders hide. Messy sticky ones and one like a string with a sticky ball on the end. Wave also helps spider hive talk to each other and protect their eggs, but not all spiders make waves. Some hunt without them. Spider use silk in many ways, not just for webs. Number 4. The speed of many predators such as cheetah, peregrine falcons. Cheetah are the fastest land animals, running very fast to catch prey. Peregrine falcons are the fastest animal overall, diving incredibly fast to catch prey.
Okay, so that will be our discussion from the topic that can be found in Module 8. Thank you for watching, Sergio.